Let's make the Kraken Albatross. So let's make it. The first thing we're going to do is rim our glass, and it's going to be made in the glass, so we need a highball or Collins, and we need a little lime wedge, and I'm going to give it a little cut. I'm going to take that cut and run it around the edge of the glass. From there, I'm going to rim the glass with sugar salt. And this is just sugar and salt that's been mixed together at a 1-to-1 ratio, 1 part to 1 part, and it makes it somewhat salty and somewhat sweet. And I'm going to use that to rim the glass. I'm not very good at this, but I'll do my best. This is a little fancier than I did when I was working at the dye bar. Not horrible, not great. Not horrible, not great. Anyway, I'm going to add some ice. First, I'm going to get my ice, though. Now that I have my ice, I'm going to drop some of that into the glass. About like that. Now, we need 1 part Kraken Black Spiced Rum and 3 parts grapefruit soda. So, I'm going to go for ounces. This is a tall column, so hopefully I can get it all in there. So, 1 part is going to be 2 ounces for me of Kraken Black Spiced Rum. 2 ounces is 60 milliliters. And 3 parts compared to 1 part, 2 ounces is going to be 6 ounces of the soda. And I need a bottle opener. And you may be wondering why I need a bottle opener when I have teeth, and that's because my teeth are precious. 6 ounces, I could measure it out, or I could just top it off, which is what I'm going to do. If you want to be professional, well, this is a little over 6 ounces, so there should be a little left in the bottle when I'm done. That's not close, but it's close enough. All right, I'm going to sink a spoon in there and give it a little stir. Add my lime wedge onto the edge and add a straw. And that's it. This is the Kraken Albatross. Drink with good spirits.